Gooey chocolate brownies. Ingredients: 200 grams of unsalted butter, 200 grams of dark chocolate chips, 1 cup of brown sugar, loosely packed, 3 eggs, lightly beaten, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ½ cup of plain flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, pinch of salt. Optional ingredients: 180 grams of dark chocolate block, 1½ cups of roughly chopped walnuts. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray a 20 cm square tin with oil and line with baking paper with some overhang. Place the butter and chocolate chips in a heat-proof bowl, microwave in 30 seconds bursts, about 3 times, until melted, then stir it until it is smooth. Add the sugar and vanilla, then mix, then add eggs and mix well until smooth and molten. Add the flour, cocoa and salt and stir until it is smooth. Stir in the chopped chocolate and it into a pan. Bake for 24 minutes if you want a gooey center, 28 minutes for a fudgy but still moist center, or 32 minutes for moist fudge cake-like. Reduce the cooking time by 2 minutes if you do not use the extra chocolate. Rest for about 10 minutes before lifting it out of the pan. Allow to cool for at least 20 minutes before cutting.